What's up, everybody? I'm ArtistBoozey, and if you don't know who I am, I'm Boozey. We like to craft, paint, draw, and do do-it-yourself projects. So if you like that sort of thing, you should totally stick around because it's always chaotic, but always fun around here. So, without further ado, let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. We are doing a do-it-yourself coffin shelf with all materials from the DollarTree, and I will show you the materials. But first I want to say this is not my idea. I first saw it on Bargain Bethany's channel, and I will link her video and her channel in the description below because she's super talented and she comes up with genius ideas of things you would never think to grab and make it into something you would never think to make. It's amazing. So I got 3 of these double-sided coffin signs, and we're going to glue them together so it's heavier and it'll be sturdy when it's standing up. And I bought 5 of these chalkboard pumpkins cutout signs. You could probably get away with 4 unless you're going to do what I'm going to do. And what I am going to do is I'm also going to put shelves like here and here so that I can stack more Halloween decorations, because your girl has a problem with buying Halloween decorations. She can't never stop. I already have 2 totes and I keep on going. And it's a whole addiction, best believe that. And talking about Halloween decorations, I'm super excited because my mom usually hates fall. She hates the cold. She would rather be in the summer and on the beach. But she has been getting excited and she has made me this broom. I'll link the video to that down below in the description as well of how to do that. It's all DollarTree materials. And I think it's super cute. It's leaning everywhere. We gotta fix it. She's given up. She's gotten frustrated because it's fallen apart twice already. And I hot glued it and I've used E6000 and it just keeps on like tilting and everything else, and I want it to be straight up and down. That's a whole different thing. I'm getting distracted, but I'll show you this other one she made me because it's so cute. And I'm just gonna let you in on a little secret. Anything oil spill color, I want it. I buy it because it's that color. Let's just be honest here. But one last thing, I also already cut my pieces to size. All I did is measure each side. So I measured this, 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 and this, and I cut all my pieces so it's ready for hot glue. I also think I want to spray paint it first so that it's easier, because doing it with a brush, it's very time consuming. So I'm going to hit it with some spray paint, and then I'm going to hot glue these babies together. So let's go get into the video, shall we? Alright guys, well, I lied. I'm hitting it with hot glue first, then I'm going to spray paint it when it's all complete.
Okay guys, boys, for Boozey coming at ya. And all I'm doing is hot gluing the crap out of this baby. Everywhere. Hot glue everywhere. I stacked the 3 signs and hot glued them, and now I'm one at a time hot gluing each of the sides to make it a 3D coffin shelf. This is so exciting to me because I've always wanted one of these, but I would never buy it on Etsy. I get scared about buying furniture online because you never know it's going to arrive scratched, and I kind of have a little bit of OCD. And every time I put the hot glue onto the shelf where it's going to attach, I take my finger with one of my DollarTree pink rubber finger protector thingies, and I run my finger across it to make it flatter. I don't know if it helped. It seemed like it helped me. Maybe it's all in my head. I don't know. I just did it because I thought it made it look better. And I will say towards the end of the video, when you see the end result, the bottoms and stuff are a little bit crooked. My lines could have been better, which I need to practice my cutting with the saw and stuff. I'm not that great yet. So my lines aren't perfect, but overall, I am very proud of this project. I love it. This is the bottom of the shelf, and as you can see, when I put it on, it's a little bit crooked, but you won't really see that part since it's sitting on there. And the whole thing is really sturdy, so that's exciting. I was scared it was going to fall apart, because I've had the worst luck with hot glue, I feel like. I watch people's videos and they use hot glue and it lasts them forever, and then I use hot glue and then it falls apart. So I'm like, what am I doing wrong? but it's held up so far, and I love my coffin shelf, and I hope you guys make one too because it's super cool and a great addition to your Halloween decor. I used to call it decor, and I'll be like, decor in the face. Just kidding, I'm a nice person, and I treat people with kindness, as should you. A preach by Harry Styles. I apologize for my sniffles. I'm battling my sinuses at the moment.
Now,
I have a ton of cleaning up coffee, but it's sturdy and together.
without further ado, here's the goal-tastic results. I hope you're excited as I am because I love the turnout of this. I'm pretty impressed with myself today. I hope you guys like it too. The only thing that I didn't like is I was a hot mess and a slob with the hot glue, but I didn't want it to fall apart. So I used a lot of hot glue. And the only other thing is the shelves do stick out a little bit further, but I kind of like that look because I'm going to have skeletons hanging off of it, like with their legs. So I think it'll be really cool. And if you guys like the video, you should totally like and subscribe and come back every Wednesday for some more artsy-fartsy fun. And also, I don't know if you saw this or not, but I kept the back because I liked this look. But I covered up the welcome with spray paint inside. So, like I said, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe and come back every Wednesday for some more artsy-fartsy fun. Thank you so much for watching. It means a really lot.